Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transform Python files to an executable program, something that you can install on your laptop or PC. Okay, so those are the code. You can see here, this is something you cannot share with friend. So I'm gonna show you how to install this on your PC. Okay, we are going to start. You are going to open the folder where you save this project, as you can see here. So this is a directory. I'm gonna open it. So this is the folder. I'm gonna click inside here. I'm gonna type C. I'm gonna select first, type CMD. Okay. First thing have to do is to install file installer. You're gonna type here, pipe install file installer. Okay, as you can see here, they say it's ready satisfies. Okay, this means I have already installed file installer. Okay, in my case. In your case, if you don't have it, it's gonna install it. When you're done, you're going to type the following command. I'm gonna show you something first. Right now, if you check inside this folder here, I got only the 5 files. Okay, so there's nothing, there's no folder here. So now let's go back. So from here, we are going to do like this. We type Python hyphen M capital P Y I capital I, okay, N S installer like this, hyphen one files, okay. So now you're gonna have to type here your project name, file name. So it's gonna be website. I'm gonna do website dot UI. Press enter, and you can see it's loading. And it's done. Let's go back there. I'm gonna show you something. As you can see, before I was only having website inside here. Now I got those two folders and this one. But the most important folder is this one. This one you can even delete it. If I open it, this is what we got. Okay. Okay. So this is the most important files we need here. Okay. So now let's go back. Okay. We got one more thing to do. Now, when you're done, go to Google, look for NSI, this program here, okay? So this is the website, you click, and then you download it and install it. I have done it already, okay? When you've done that, you're gonna come back, it is your project. This is the folder, okay? You right click, you can say more option if you are using Windows 11. And then from here, say send to compress, prepared file. Okay, so this is what we got. Right? I'm gonna move it from here. Go to website. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so now we are going to look for our NSIS files. It's the one software we just installed. Okay, so from here you click install this on zip files. You click open. I'm looking for this zip file here. You click open. Okay, if you want, you can change the installer name. Okay, and then you click generate. You can see it's processing. When it's done, you can test or you can just close. Okay, so this is what we are looking for here. Okay, this is the files you need to install on your computer or your friend computer. Okay, you click yes. As you can see it here, all you're gonna have to do is to click install. Okay, so this is how you convert a Python file to a setup or an executable program. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe.